Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. It's time for our latest video. Let's get to it. As you can see, I'm not in the Shave Nation bathroom or the test laboratory, I should say, but I am in Mallorca, Spain. Soller, more precise. I'm going to do an outdoor shave. Here's my travel shave setup. As you can see me, I'm standing in front of a window. I have a Coke bottle, which I've cut in half right here. The Coke bottle container will be for rinsing, and the smaller one will be for dipping the razor while I'm shaving. So I can be using pretty much clean water the whole time. I've got the Parasso shave set, the small brush, shaving cream, aftershave balm, and this is the Parker A1R double edge travel safety razor. There's the window, there's me, there's my background, which is Mallorca, Soller, Spain. Let's do it. First thing I'll do, let's assemble the razor while my hands are still dry. Here's the case it comes in, the Parker A1R. Just dump everything out. It's got a compartment for the items, the head, the top cap, safety bar, and then the two handle sections as well. So I will screw the handle sections together like so, and then the handle right onto the, well, I'll show you the blade. This is actually a Persona blade that I've shaved with once or twice before. As you can see, it's got a little gook on it from my previous shave. I didn't thoroughly rinse it. You know, I'm traveling, so not the ideal situation. Tighten down that handle. It's a Persona blade with one shave on it. I'll be using that. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna wet my face. This is a Coca-Cola container that I have cut in half that I can use as a shaving bowl for rinsing and whatnot, and then just throw it away when I'm done. Wet the face. Got nice warm water in there. Soak the brush. I've got a smaller container for dipping and rinsing. So that's that. Here's the Parasso shave brush. It's a mini brush. Just going to squirt a little bit right onto it, like so. Not too much. Just work that in a little. I'll go right to the face and mix a little bit of lather. I've only got about a 1-day beard growth today. Nothing major. But at least this way you can see a nice outdoor travel shave with some different scenery than what we're normally used to, which is always nice. Small brush, very easy to pinpoint where you want that cream to go. Drive it into the beard. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. All right, here we go. Dipping the razor in the water. And I'm shaving in a window, so it's not really as good as a mirror, but it works. I'll just be careful. Got some good feedback on this razor. You may not hear it. I've got the wind in the background. You can see the clothes on the clothesline flipping around. And there's a washer and dryer to the left of me over here, outside, which is interesting. Rinse one side, nice. It's a little harder to rinse without a stream of water, but still able to rinse everything off. Left side. It's a pretty aggressive shaving razor. I can really feel it mowing through. One side filled, flip it over. Little brush hair right there, which is completely normal to lose one or two every once in a while. Both sides filled, rinse that. Mustache, just scoop right under the nose. Rinse. All right, first pass complete. Just a quick, slight rinse with the clean water. And relather for a second pass. Got enough shaving cream on here. You could add more if you needed to, but just a light coating for the second pass will be sufficient. This Proraso menthol and eucalyptus shaving cream is very refreshing. It's very cooling. After the first pass of beardage has been removed, more skin is exposed. It's very cooling and refreshing, especially with the wind blowing onto my face. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. All right, here we go. First pass was north to south. Now I'll go across the grain. Backhand. These Persona blades, the prep blade used in hospitals for prepping patients before surgery. Very good blade. I put it right up there with a feather. Very close, smooth. Just feels like you can't cut yourself with it. Rinse off against the grain on the neck. Rinse again. Across the mustache. Under the nose with the tip of the razor, then lay it flat. Little cleanup. Little rinse off. Now we'll take our Shave Nation Wide Stick Allen block, remove the cap, dip that in the clean water, glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Excellent finish to the shave. Cooling, calming, tightens the skin. It will seal off any little nicks or weepers if you got any, but I don't think I got any. I can't really see my face that well because I am shaving in a window. So it's not super precise, but I get the idea. I kind of see where I'm at. Cap that. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Now we'll take our Proraso Aftershave Balm, menthol and eucalyptus to line up with the shaving cream. Just layer it right on top. Little dab like that. Massage that into the fingertips and directly into the skin while it's still slightly damp. Excellent finish to the shave. Refreshing, cooling, tingling. Very nice. Check it out. I went from 1 day growth to baby smooth cheeks, chin, mustache, neck. Very nice shave. The A1R razor, the Proraso Travel Shave Kit. That was fun, something different, an outdoor shave in the sun in another country. Might be a first for me. I've done outdoor shaves before. Let's see, outside in a blizzard I did one, and then I did another one standing alongside a Jeep in the snow. A nice cold shave. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com. Enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.